Hi everyone, today I thought I would just take you along with me. I wanted to give you a little bit of an update about my ceiling in my dining room. So everything's nearly finished in there. Today is Sunday, so I'm meal prepping, I am planning for the week ahead, I'm doing some cooking, getting some stuff done. So I just thought I'd show you what I'm up to, and I will give you an update about the ceiling. So I'm cooking chicken today, this morning, and that is going to be for a meal tonight, but then I want it to also be used for meals in the week. Whenever I've got the oven on, I like to fill the oven. So I'm also doing some meal prepping. I'm doing some vegetables so that I can do some roasted vegetables and salads during the week, so I'm just doing that now. So I just thought I'd show you my meal planning for this week. I put it on my meal planning board like I normally do. So Saturday we always have pizza on a Saturday, that's just a given. And then Sunday, so today we're having roast chicken, and I've got that chicken in the oven cooking now, and then I will prep the vegetables, that's ready for later on. And then with the leftover chicken, I'm going to do a chicken salad, and I also want to use the chicken in my salads for work this week. And I've got risotto, so I like doing a chicken risotto, put white wine in it and things like that. Really nice. So I know on Tuesday I'm okay that the kids don't have anything after school, so I know I've got a little bit more time to do that. Wednesday I'm going to do meatballs, so that's something that I have meal prepped before that I can just heat up with some pasta sauce. Thursday is a really busy night because my son has got scouts, so I'm going to do chicken burgers with some salad, and then Friday I'm going to do fish and chips, and my son's just come to say hello. So with the dining room, it's been a really slow process. The ceiling fell down, as you will no doubt know if you've been watching me for a while, and I will link that video down below. It was an awful situation, but our ceiling fell down at the end of June, and we're now at the beginning of September, and Ollie's come to say hello, now he's gone again. At the beginning of September, and we are almost there. So the ceiling has been skimmed and it's been painted, so plasterboarded, skimmed, painted. I've relined the walls. I've relined the walls, so the walls are really rough. And come say hello. No. The walls are really rough, and I just decided I'm going to line the walls rather than, and we couldn't really go to the expense of having the walls re-skimmed. And so I've just lined and painted the walls, redone the woodwork, and I thought I would take the opportunity, since I've done all the kitchen in this really nice colour, in the Farrow and Ball colour, and again I'll link those videos down below, I thought I'd reuse the paint and do the cupboards. So that is actually the job that I'm going to try and get finished today. Our new light is supposed to be delivered on Tuesday, so fingers crossed that will come, and that we'll be able to get that fitted, and then the room will be finished. Just say hello. So this is Ollie. This is my son Ollie, and he doesn't normally like to be in my videos, and will probably use any opportunity not to be, and to get out of being in my videos, whereas Emily would like the channel to be her own and wants to be in every video and be the star of every video. So anyway, yeah, there he is. Say hello.
No.
Say hello to all the subscribers.
Stop it! Move, stand still.
Right, so it's now the end of the day and I have done quite a bit of painting in here today with my husband. He's been getting on with some of the architrave and I've been getting on with the cupboards. Kids have been playing. Emily went to a friend's house and had a really lovely time this afternoon. So I'm just going to give you a little look at the dining room. So we're nearly finished. So next time I show it to you, it should all be finished and I can give you a better look round. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and look at Emily. So we have finished. You can see I've still got my ladder out because I'm not quite finished, but painted the cupboard over there. So it's actually the same as the colour in the kitchen, but in this light it actually looks a bit darker. There's Emily for a little wave. Hello, Emily. So we've done the walls and painted the architrave. This cupboard needs another coat.
And the nubbles.
The nubbles? Oh, the knobs, you mean? The nubbles. Painted those. So actually used some wood dye like I did in the kitchen. Still haven't got the light. That's being delivered on Tuesday, so should be able to put that up in a day or two. And this wall is done, the telly's back up. The skirting board and everything. So we've almost finished this room and I'm really, really pleased. So thank you for joining me today. So I've done a bit of meal prepping today. I have done some meal planning and then obviously I've shown you what we've been doing in the dining room. So if you are not a subscriber, then I would love to have you as one of my subscribers.
Me too.
And I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye!